Abeliar. This is going to be your question. I will only repeat it twice. Who is the famous sports personality that you really are most like? Again, who is the famous sports personality that you really are most like?
One of the most famous sport personality I like is the pride of our land, Mr. Manny Pacquiao. I like his dedication to his work, family, to his homeland by helping them make their life better. And despite the fame and wealth he has, he stay humble, God's spirit, and the man of visiting. Thank you.
Very well said. Thank you so much. Moving on with candidate number 2, Ms. Jusara Sarmiento. This is going to be our question. How can you promote sports among your fellow students? I repeat, how can you promote sports among your fellow students?
I can promote sports among my fellow students by emphasizing them that sport is a part of an integral physical and physical development. It is important that everyone who has the talent, skill, strength, stamina, and determination to succeed be encouraged to participate in sports. However, not all of us is gifted in sports.
Kuya, kuhanin muna, Kuya Bert, kuhanin muna. Nervyos yan kanina pa.
Okay, that was candidate number 2. And for candidate number 3, Ms. Shari Montemayor. This is going to be your question, lady. What is the biggest challenge as a St. Joseph student you are facing right now? Again, what is the biggest challenge as a St. Joseph student you are facing right now?
First of all, good morning everyone and to our panel of judges. Since I'm still a freshman student here at St. Joseph College, I haven't faced a major or biggest challenge. Because in this competition, I have to overcome my shyness, be more confident in everything I do, and having more fun is not that easy. So I think this is the biggest challenge that I'm facing now. That's all, thank you.
Very well said, candidate number 3. Moving on to candidate number 4, Ms. Mariah Noline Peña. But before I give your question, here's the criteria for judging the Miss Sportsfest 2010. Talent is 30%. Beauty, external appeal, face, body, proportion, and poise is 50%. X factor, unique and visible characteristics, that's 10%. And the question and answer portion is 10%, a total of 100%. Okay, here's your question, my lady. If you can change one thing about the world, what would it be and why? Again, if you can change one thing about the world, what would it be and why?